What's going on, peeps? Alex from AMG Composites here, and we're back in the garage. As you can see, I got the fenders behind me. So I did do a little bit of work off camera. I just wanted to kind of show you guys um, the original fenders and what they're looking like, as well as the molds and how far along they are and where they are in the process. So we got the original fenders right here. Um, So you got, this is the driver's side, and then this is the passenger side. So this fender, it looks like it was painted. So normally when what happened here happens is the chemical compound of the paint that they used isn't very strong. So it's not very like good quality paint. So it just doesn't withstand the heat that is applied to it, because at the end of the day it's all like chemical reactions, so there's a lot of heat that goes on to this, as well as like the chemicals themselves. This one, that's the original paint there. As you can see, the paint held up nice. No, nothing wrong with it there. So we got this mold here. This is the driver's side mold. um you can see this was almost done. It's got a few more little details I gotta touch up, like that there. It's got little defects, little things here. But I already have the holes drilled out, as you can see, and it's pretty much ready. Besides these little details, so this is pretty much what the mold is gonna look like. It's already sanded on this side as well. So these need to be sanded. Um, I'll show you the other one that's right here in a second, so you can see what I'm talking about. But this needs to get sanded on the outside, all these edges, so that it could be handled properly. Otherwise, you're gonna have like a lot of little hairs that are splinters. But this is the mold. I already gave this one a little prep. Now we have this one. Um, as you can see, the paint is stuck on there. Normally that doesn't happen. That did not happen to this one here. That you can see from the actual fender itself. But sometimes that happens. So the little hairs that I was talking about was this. The border of it looks like that as well. It needs to be cleaned up. This one's already all, it's already all cleaned up and pretty much done. So that just helps with ease of work and all that good stuff. But anywho, you can see this still has like some of the little details that I already took out of this one. So this one's already all done. It just needs to be polished. Um, but yeah, this is what the other mold is looking like. This is the the passenger side. Excuse me, the passenger side mold. So you can see on the outside, you see all the little hairs and stuff. I'm grabbing it from here because there's not really much here, so I don't have to worry about getting splinters or anything like that. But you can see, you know. So this is how they come out. It has a few little imperfections. Sometimes it comes out with stuff like this. It's a lot more time consuming. And like this one was pretty quick cleaning it up. This one's definitely going to take a lot more time. But the mold is still good. It's still usable. And, we just got to get after it. But I just wanted to give you guys an update so you guys could see. We got mold one and mold two. And these are the original fenders. So these are still usable. Besides this one needing, a repaint, that's a little bit hard to do with one hand. But besides this one needing a repaint, this one just needs a little polish and a little cleanup, and it's good to go. So this is pretty much. So this is how it's done. Making the molds. Now you guys are gonna see me. I'm gonna record some of what I do with this, so you guys can kind of see like the work that goes into it. I'll do a little time lapse video, but I just wanted to show you guys, what it's kind of looking like. I do want to show you guys what it takes to get it to this point, or to get it to the finalized. But this is not finalized yet. It still needs a little bit of polish, which also just helps with the quality of the product at the end. So with this one, I'm going to record. I'll do a little time lapse for you guys so you guys can see the process and what I do to get it from being at this point to this point, So stay tuned. I'm excited. I'm ready to make some of these Fenders. And I have something for you guys at the end of the week. So definitely stay tuned so you guys can see what's going on behind the scenes a little bit more.